Okay, I decided to save the easiest for last, or at least for example 3, in case we want to do more examples. But here we have 3.2 times 10 to the negative 4 times 2 times 10 to the 5th. So, why is this one easy? Well, let's go ahead and do step 1 like we did before, multiplying the coefficients, so 3.2 times 2. Don't need a calculator for that, that's just going to be 6.4. Okay, next we have 10 to the negative 4 times 10 to the 5th. And so I'm going to do this in one, so this is the next step. Now why can I move to the next step? Well, that's because this is already in scientific form, meaning the decimal is where it should be, just to the right of the first non-zero digit. The reason this one's so easy is now I can just add these two exponents, negative 4 and 5, to get 10 to the first. Okay? And there's no step 3 needed because there is no extra base 10 that would result if I had to move this decimal. Okay, and of course I can't forget the multiplication sign in between. So that's the final answer. 6.4 times 10 to the first is the result when you multiply these two scientific numbers. Again, if you have any other questions about multiplying scientific numbers, let me know.